Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop for another in-depth product review. And in today's video, we are going to look at another new product from Rixxu. This is their Tri-Fold soft tonneau cover. So if you're a truck owner, you know how important it is to not only keep your bed protected, but also the cargo that's in it. Now, a pickup truck's bed is its most versatile tool, and if you're limited on what you can haul based upon the weather, you're just not getting as much as you can out of your truck. Well, the team over at Rixxu recently entered the market with a goal to offer effective but also affordable tonneau covers. So today, we're looking at their Tri-Fold soft cover to see if they got it right. Alright, so again, this is Rixxu's Tri-Fold soft tonneau cover, and so far I am really impressed with the overall quality and fit. Now notice how Rixxu designed their Tri-Fold soft cover to sit on top of the bed rails rather than inside the bed. Now this will cause the cover to protrude up slightly higher from the bed, but I still think it offers a smooth and sleek appearance. But being an attractive cover is only one benefit of bolting one of these up to your truck. It's also going to help you save a little bit at the pump as well by reducing wind drag. Now taking a closer look at where the cover meets the bed, you can also see that this Rixxu tonneau cover offers a nice tight fit. So it doesn't matter if it's rain or snow piled on top of it, your cargo in the bed will stay nice and dry. Alright, at this point, let's take a closer look at the actual construction of this Rixxu soft Tri-Fold cover. Now to start, Rixxu uses heavy-duty tear-resistant vinyl over the entire cover, wrapped around a strong metal frame. This cover has been designed to be seriously durable, no matter how you use it or where you live. You can also be completely confident that this cover will stay secured to your truck. Rixxu uses durable ABS plastic hand tension clamps which secure right to your bed rails, and they're only accessible with the tailgate down. So as long as your tailgate is up and locked, you can be assured that no one will be able to access your cargo. But I can't forget to mention the fact that this is a Tri-Fold cover. So compared to a roll-up, this cover also gives you the flexibility to use only the bed space you need and not what you don't. Now when it comes to the install, it will take you no longer than 15 minutes. And I'm serious, 15 minutes. The Rixxu soft Tri-Fold cover comes completely assembled right out of the box. Here are the install steps. Just lay it on top of your bed rails, fold the cover out over the entire bed, secure it to the bed rails using the hand tension clamps, and that is really it. No tools whatsoever required. To open it, just drop your tailgate, loosen the hand tension clamps, and flip up each panel towards the cab, unlocking the remaining clamps as you go. Now, depending on how much of the bed that you actually need exposed, you can either secure the panels with the attached buckles at the end, or just go ahead and remove the entire cover. Well guys, that's going to wrap up this review of Rixxu's Tri-Fold soft tonneau cover. So if you're looking for an inexpensive folding tonneau cover that will keep your cargo safe, dry, and will only take you minutes to install, head over to CarID.com now to check out this cover and all the other great parts and accessories that Rixxu has to offer. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time in the garage.